viewers, welcome back to Iha Designs. Vichitra silk fabric, dusty colors, neckline, beautiful unstitched salwar suits collections are ready for dispatch express delivery. Price is price dusty green color, multicolor embroidery work with one side scallop finished dupatta, same color shanton pants. Next color rust beautiful light rust tone with scallop finished border dupatta with same color shanton bottom. Washable complaints on the last year. Adutha color vernathu nalla rassulla oru cement grey tone aanu, beautiful cement grey color. In the close on nokkiyoട്ടോ kanda ingana vera beautiful light grey tone with dupatta with same color thanne varuna shanton pants. Aduthathu vernathu nalla rassulla oru dusty green, beautiful dusty green tone, neck il idupole thanne varuna scallop finished rectangle shape multi embroidered yoke with dupatta with same color thanne shanton bottom. Finally, dusty pink or onion pink tone beautiful light dusty or onion color adilukku idhe pole rectangle shaped work. Okay, trim shades ready for dispatch express delivery. Try to thank you.